Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my ET 1 Minute English with Mr. Khan, where English is easy. Listen to this sentence. My sister has got a son named Alif Khan. He is my nephew. Nephew, that is the word that we are going to learn today. Nephew. Nephew means anak saudara lelaki in bahasa Melayu. Nephew. My sister has got a son named Alif Khan. He is my nephew. 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 Nephew is anak saudara lelaki. Can you say the word nephew for me? Very good. And can you spell the word nephew? Nephew. Very good. Okay, guys, that is the word. And please memorize the word. Try to use it. Okay? Bye-bye, everybody. Take care. This program is brought to you by The Blue Room.